myself Priyanka Gogoi from Tinsukia, Assam. Today I want to share my feelings which I felt during this 10-day workshop. Yes, sir. So first of all, I would like to thank Priya for giving me the information regarding this workshop, sir, which really inspired me to do something for myself, sir. And meeting you is really a very great opportunity, sir, because you are a very great person, sir, because you have the capacity to change one's mind and erase all the negativities which I came to know from this 10 days, sir. And although I'm a means the whole day I go through my household works and I don't get any time for myself. I feel as if that I don't get any time for myself, even though I have lots and lots of time during the 24 hours. But I really felt relaxed whenever I joined this class after doing all the household work, which I have said in message also, sir, that I feel relaxed. And each and everyone in this group has become as a family member. No doubt we vary in our ages, but we are equal here, sir. I feel as if I am a child or I am a student here in this group, sir. It's a vast course, sir, which we can't means conclude in 10 days. But whatever we have learned from you, it's a very great opportunity for us, sir.